Hello, Gundam Expo fans. Today it's Speedball Harl, and today I got for you guys from P Bandai from this year's US Gundam Expo 2021, my first Expo delivery, which I will tell you all right now, I'm going to have a few of these. But unfortunately, I can't say the when part because for those who aren't aware of this, the USP Bandai sent out emails to pretty much, I'm sure, all the buyers and such that unfortunately, due to shipping issues, not all, but a number of the Expo and also some retail P Bandai kits are going to be delayed. So, meaning if you have any of those kits, your order with whatever you got with that specific kits on the list will be delayed till and when they get them in. So unfortunately, I can't say when I'll get more of my Expo orders. Hopefully soon, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly mention that. And let's get right down to it because as you can see, this is a big box. And before anyone may ask, I don't know what order this is from because for your information, I ordered from pretty much every wave. I ordered so many from each wave because, well, that's just how it worked. And though I did want to consolidate some of my orders, I didn't have the chance to, the time to, and such. So yeah, I had to go buy separate, but I'm fine with that. So let's get this opened because I'm hoping it's certain orders, but I don't know honestly which one. I wanted to make this a surprise to myself and to all you guys. Because if you do receive any orders, that means that, well, the items you did get, of course, aren't on the delayed list. So yeah, let's just quickly get through the bubbles because you know there's going to be a number of them. Any other garbage that we may have, such as just garbage itself. Alright, let's see anything. Oh, something still. Oh, they love packing these with bubbles, don't they? Here, I'm gonna adjust this real quick. Go. There we go. Alright. Now let's see. Okay, here's something we'll start with right here. There we go. And the first item is, oh, that's right, the system weapon kits. These are going to be fun to build. This, of course, are from the Gundam base, if you aren't aware of this. And this is the 10th system weapon with the bazooka and long rifle for the Estrella, as you can see here. So, of course, I'm going to have some fun picking out what kits I want to customize this with. Awesome, though. This is going to be so cool to check out. And of course, for those who aren't aware of this, yes, these were all the system weapons were all available at the Expo this year, just as they were last year. Though last year they sold out insanely quick. I won't lie. I tried to get some last year, gone before I could even get one. This year, though, I had more luck. So, yeah, awesome. Okay, let's put that one down for a sec. Let's see if any, because I ordered a number of them. Yep, here's another one. It's System Weapon 7, and this has the Sininju and that really cool battle axe. A beam battle axe, my bad, I should say. So yeah, I can't, ooh, this is going to be some fun stuff to add on to. Let's see. Oh, wow, I don't remember what wave these are from exactly, but it seems like this is one of my bigger ones that I ordered these ones with, because, of course, here's another one. This is, of course, the third battle system, which is really nice, because this one has the claw shield and machine gun, which is really cool. I'm so glad that these were available this year. And at least had better stock, because for those who were not aware or participated in last year's event, a good number of kits last year sold out insanely quick, and that's why I'll say the USP Bandai definitely learned from last year, as into some of their mistakes, as in errors and stuff. And in this case, I'm meaning is stock-wise, because last year they sold out insanely quick on too many things. I mean, literally, for a perfect example, the Perfectibility RG, that thing sold out before the time even began. I should know. I tried to get one. Okay. Oh, that seems like the last weapon kit. Okay. Well, let's start over here with the... Ah, yes. I didn't get this one last year, but I wanted to get it this year. And that is the, as you can see, the Gundam Base Limited Unicorn Destroy Mode painted model. And for those who don't have a single clue what this is, for pretty much it's an opportunity to take certain kits that, of course, are like this and paint them. This is supposed to be a way for new beginners and such to take a blank sheet, in a sense, and paint it however they want. And that's what's really sweet about these kits. Of course, though, they're only available at the Gundam base. And this one, of course, is of the Unicorn high grade. And that's really cool is that not only is it just the standard high grade, you also get components from the Banshee, the Phoenix, and the armored ARM D2s, which are really nice. And of course, as you can clearly see, it's all one color, and the parts, the clear parts, the cycle frame specifically, are all clear, so which means you can paint them whatever color you want. So if you didn't want green, red, blue, gold, etc., you could do, you could do a different color and just make a new unicorn cycle frame. That's what's really cool about this. And of course, last year I couldn't get one, or I forget. Well, I wanted to get one, but they sold out before I could. But this year, as you can see, I finally got one, and I can't wait to build this guy because I'm getting a good number of. I have a good number of HG unicorns now, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let's see what's next. Let's go over here, and it's the Gundam Base Limited Pale Rider Ground Heavy Equipment Type Clear version. In other words, it's the clear type of the Pale Rider's ground type, which is really nice because I actually have the space type in my backlog, and that's why I had to get this one. I don't like to have incomplete sets, and when I got the space type, I didn't think I had to worry about a ground type because I actually have a different ground type, but it wasn't too long after the Expo of last year that they announced this one, so I just I had to get it. I have to match them together. Plus, it's really and perfect timing with all the new, Gundam game news, including the new Pale Riders we just got announced, which I'm definitely going to be picking up to go with them. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how this one does. And plus, it gives me more of a chance to experience more clear kits. Okay, what's next? And, okay, I see one right here. Let's just grab this. And this is the Base Limited again, of course. The Fumina Hoshino Gundam Base Color version. And, of course, this is not of the high grade version. And this one is of the recent figurized version of Fumina. And, of course, this one is in the all blue and white color scheme that the Gundam Base is well known for. And of course, I decided to pick it up because I didn't get the retail one. I didn't really, just want that version. I'm sort of hoping that they may use this mold here to redo her armor versions, in a sense, to where, because I know the the original Fumina kits were not the best from what I've always heard. So I'm hoping in time maybe they'll do something where you can add on armors to her. Maybe. But I figured why not get her while I have the chance. Let's see what else. It's everyone's favorite. Bubbles. Let's see. Okay, here's one. And this is, great timing. Well, as I stated with the Unicorn, this is another Base Limited, from the Gundam Origin high grade line, the Zaku2 Type C6/R6, and this is, of course, of the painted model version, and meaning, as I mentioned, with the Unicorn. And yeah, I decided to pick this one up because, well, I need more Zaku's in my life. I just need more Zaku's. That, and plus, I happen to have in my backlog the Shin high grade Zaku, so I figured, since I got him, I gotta get him a comrade. Because this guy's, actually, it's a pretty nice white version. I don't think I will paint him in any other colors. I might detail him to match up with the Shin. And I figured, since I have that one, I should give him, like I said, a comrade. it'd be really cool. But as you can see, it shows you on the box tips and such how to paint them, even with the Gundam marker system, which is a really good system, I should say. So yeah, this is awesome. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, I can probably open this up now a little better. Wow, they put a lot of bubbles in here. Wow, that's a lot. Alright, enough playing with those. Let's see. Okay, oh, there's a big one, I think. And that is oh, nice. The Gundam Base Limited Core Gundam 2, and Alos Core Gundam Low Visibility set. Sorry about that. You probably couldn't see that. There you go. I've been wanting to get, this is a set I've been wanting to get for a while now, since it was revealed, because man, this is such a cool version. And I said it because honestly I really like the Alos core on this set. It is so cool. And as you can see here, this is a full example of all of them, what they look like. And what's really cool is the special Core Gundam Custom armor version they did with this set, because for those who remember the anime, the standard Core Gundam 2 utilized the armors just like this, but in a different formation. So this one's really cool because this not only uses certain armors that the first one didn't use, but it actually uses components from the Alos core armor, from that one, from the Alos 3 armor. So yeah, it's really nice. So glad this, and it comes with most of the components that you'd need extras of, headpieces and such. So yeah, and this one, though, I have to admit, guys, I'm surprised this one didn't sell out as quick, because I know a good number of people wanted this set. But, you know, I'm glad, because, you know, I got it. Sweet. Totally. Alright, let's see what else. It doesn't seem like there's too many left. And, okay, what's this? And this, what the? Another Zaku. Huh. Did I order 2 Zakus? Huh. I honestly don't remember ordering a second Zaku. What the? I'll have to check into that. Anything? Oh, yep, there's one more. Oh, and this is the one I know a lot of fans were after when the Expo started. But here, let's move this out of the way. And this is the last thing in there, and that is of the Master Grade Gundam Seed Gundam Base only Zaku Warrior Live Concert Version, or as most would know it as, the Mir Lacus Klein Zaku Warrior. See, even says it right there. This has been a kit I've been trying to get my hands on for a while. Oh man, I'm so glad. This is one thing I loved about the Expo, is that, you know, we were finally able to get this kit. Because when this was announced, it was a pain, because being that it's a Gundam base means it's a pain to get outside of Japan, or at least at a decent price. And it took, and I was, because I knew the moment the Expo started, when they listed this kit, the night this one was going to be up, it was going to be insane. As in, a lot of people are going to go after it. That, yeah. I'm talking too much, I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm so glad this kit I'm finally got in my hands. Finally. Because I have an addiction to the Warrior line now with all the Master Grades. Though it's a little bummer though that they didn't take full advantage of the Warrior line. As in, since it's based on all the Master Grades, you think for the Gundam based version, they would take advantage of being, this is one that fans love to pieces, always try to get their hands on. I know this, I've seen it. But you'd think they would take advantage of the fact that with all the other Zaku available, like the backpacks I'm talking about, that they would make this like a big set where they'd have the live concert Zaku, but with the addition of all the other wizard packs and such. I mean, like how they did this set. You'd think they would have done a little more, but however, I cannot wait to build this. Oh yeah, I can't wait. In fact, I'm deciding what kit I might just want to work on after this video, because that's how long I've waited for certain one of these. Give me 1 second, guys. And there you have it, guys. This was from my first Expo delivery, and I'm very glad because I mean, the Expos, even though I've only participated in two now, I'm very glad what we have to, what we can get. And I'm hoping that, of course, we'll see more for not just, and I don't mean just for the US, I mean all over, because there's a lot of friends I know outside of the US who I know would love to be able to get some of these kits. And I hope that Bandai will expand on the Expo possibilities because I'm very glad with this order. And like I said, there's going to be more coming. I will say that there's going to be more orders that I did from them. I broke my budget when I did this year's Expo. But I'm very glad because the one thing I've learned with Expos is that there's a good chance a lot of the kits that are there at one may not be for the other because there's a good chance, like for example, the Pale Rider here, maybe even the Fumina, and probably the Core Gundam set, that they may not be at the next one. Because I mean, last year's and this year's Expo listing, I'm noticing a lot of kits that weren't there this year from last year. So I hope you're safe and enjoying your hobbies. And honestly, I'd love to hear some feedback on what you guys got from the expo or what ideas I should do with some. Ooh, here, I'll put it this way. What ideas do you think I should do with some of the painted Gunpla here? Any color schemes you guys think would look really nice, really fun? Yeah, I'd love to hear it. And that's all for today, and I thank you all for coming. Hobbies. And honestly, I'd love to hear some feedback on what you guys got from the expo or what ideas I should do with some. Ooh, here, I'll put it this way. What ideas do you think I should do with some of the painted Gunpla here? Any color schemes you guys think would look really nice, really fun? Yeah, I'd love to hear it. And that's all for today, and I thank you all for coming.